Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a useful feature on Instagram: how to disable likes notifications on your PC. If you're looking to minimize distractions and manage your online presence better, you're in the right place. Let's get started with these simple steps. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the settings you'll need. Once your account is open, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a small icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click on this more icon to unveil additional options for your account. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your experience on Instagram. Now, look for the Notifications option within the Settings menu. Click on it, and you'll see various notification settings that you can adjust. Moving forward, locate and click on Push Notifications. This section specifically handles how Instagram communicates with you, including likes, comments, and other interactions. Finally, find the category labeled Likes. Here, you will see the option to turn off notifications. Choose Off to disable likes notifications entirely. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off likes notifications on Instagram using your PC. This small change can help you focus on what matters most without constant distractions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.